I love a good braid in the summertime, and today I'm sharing how to create this whimsical and romantic braided hairstyle. It's easier than it looks, and everyone will think that it took you hours to create when it takes just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, you'll need 2 rubber bands. I prefer the same color as my hair. A handful of bobby pins, hair clips or pins of your choice, and an optional hair extension. Today, I'm using Hidden Crown Layers Halo Extension. Start off by brushing out your hair. I've already put on my halo extension and curled my hair with a 1-inch curling iron. I like to brush out my curls for a soft and feminine look. After you've smoothed out your hair, grab the top portion from ear to ear, bring it to the back of your head into a slightly loose ponytail, and secure it with one of the rubber bands. Smooth out gently with your hairbrush once again. Loosen your ponytail and create a hole in the middle of your hair behind the rubber band. Next, take your ponytail and place it through the hole from above to flip it inside out. Now take 2 portions of hair from the front of your head. Start with one side, twist the section of hair and place it through the hole. Secure with a bobby pin. Do the same for the other side. After both sides have been secured, tighten your ponytail. Take a tiny section of hair and wrap it around the ponytail on top of the rubber band to hide it. You can secure by placing the end into the rubber band or by using a bobby pin. Next, take your ponytail and the hair directly under it and divide into 3 sections. This is the hair that you placed into the hole earlier from the top of your head. After you've divided it into 3 sections, create a simple braid. Leave a few inches unbraided at the end and secure with the second rubber band. Tighten the rubber band and gently pull out sections of the braid to widen. Take a small piece of hair from the end and wrap it around the rubber band to hide it. You can secure by placing the end into the rubber band or by using a bobby pin. Now it's time to decorate your beautiful braid. I'm using these adorable pastel butterfly clips today, but feel free to use any type of small clip, embellished bobby pin, or floral hairpin to customize. Use as many as you'd like and arrange in a way that looks beautiful to you. You can even use a simple hair comb at the top of the twist if you prefer. And that's it! You have a whimsical and romantic braided hairstyle. Will you be trying this braid out? Let me know in a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Check out my blog, LIZZIEINLACE.com, and my pretty pink Instagram at LIZZIEINLACE for even more girly content. I'll see you next time. Bye!